The next part says, sketch the two lines representing these equations in the graph below. Well, if you recall, both of the equations were written in slope-intercept form, which has the equation y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And our first equation was y equals 4x plus 0. So we had a y-intercept of 0 and a slope of 4. So using the y-intercept, we can take our first point and move it to the coordinates 0, 0. So the graph crosses the y-axis with a y value of 0. And then using a slope of 4, which is equal to 4 over 1, we can find the next point by taking the second point and then going from the first and moving up 4 spots and then to the right 1 spot. So by using the y-intercept of 0 to create our first point and the slope of 4 over 1 to create our second point, we're able to graph y equals 4x plus 0, which is our first equation. The second equation is y equals 2x plus 8. So for the second line, we have a y-intercept of 0, 8, because that's where the graph crosses the y-axis. And we have a slope of 2, which is equal to 2 over 1. So to find our second point, we go up to our first, move up 2 vertically, and then to the right horizontally 1. And that gives us our second point. So by using the y-intercept to find the first point and the slope to find the second point, we're able to graph the line y equals 2x plus 8. So by using slope-intercept form, working with the intercepts and then the slopes, we were able to graph both equations that represents the cost that Homer has to pay for each class that he takes. We can now reveal the answer and see that we're correct.